Welcome to our HDD Showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular hard drives, the HGST Ultrastar DCHC 520 with a massive 12 terabytes capacity, and the Western Digital 6 terabytes WD Red Plus. We'll explore their specifications, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to storage capacity, the HGST Ultrastar DCHC 520 takes the lead with an impressive 12 terabytes, making it ideal for data centers and enterprise applications that require extensive storage. On the other hand, the Western Digital 6 terabytes WD Red Plus offers a more modest capacity, which is still suitable for home users and small businesses looking for reliable NAS storage. The choice between these two will largely depend on your storage needs and budget. Performance is another critical factor to consider. The HGST Ultrastar DCHC 520 operates at 7,200 RPM, providing faster data access and transfer speeds, which is essential for high-performance applications. In contrast, the WD Red Plus runs at 5,400 RPM, which is sufficient for NAS environments, but may not meet the demands of high-speed data processing. If speed is your priority, the HGST drive is the clear winner. Lastly, let's talk about power consumption. The HGST Ultrastar DCHC 520, while powerful, may consume more power due to its higher RPM and capacity. In contrast, the WD Red Plus is designed for efficiency, operating at lower RPMs, which translates to lower power usage and quieter operation. This makes the WD Red Plus a great choice for home environments where noise and energy efficiency are important. In conclusion, the choice between the HGST Ultrastar DCHC 520 and the Western Digital 6 terabytes WD Red Plus ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require high capacity and speed for enterprise applications, the HGST drive is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient solution for NAS, the WD Red Plus is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.